second example on audible noise. Three-phase line yields audible noise from individual phases to be 55 dB, 52 dB, 48 dB. Find the resultant audible noise of the line. The three-phase line yield audible noise level from individual phases to be 55 dB, 52 dB to 48 dB. Find the resultant audible noise of the line. There are three phases RYB, and due to individual phases, the audible noise produces, let us say, 55, 52 and 48. And we have to find out the total audible noise at particular point. This is given, this term is given. We have to calculate SPL, म्हणजे sound pressure level हा 55 dB साठी calculate करायचा आहे. How to calculate the SPL? It is equal to 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to, yes, audible noise divided by 10. Okay, so this is the formula for SPL. So we are going to calculate SPL for 55 dB, means एकदा A ची व्हॅल्यू 55 घेऊन तो SPL 1 मिळेल, एकदा 52 घेतली SPL 2 मिळेल, एकदा 48 घेतली SPL 3 मिळणार आहे. The total sound pressure level, it is nothing but the algebraic sum. So the SPL total, it will be SPL1 plus SPL2 plus SPL3. But that sound pressure level, it will be in Pascal. Sorry, yes, it is in Pascal. This is dB. And this one is Pascal. So again, to calculate in dB, you have to use this formula. For 55 dB, let us say SPL1, it is equal to 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to 55 divided by 10, which is equal to what? 6.324 Pascal. Same way, calculate for 52 dB. It will be SPL2. So what is SPL2? 3.1697. SPL3, unit Pascal. And the total sound pressure level, it is equal to 755 in Pascal. Okay, but I want in dB. So how to calculate? So audible noise in dB, it is equal to 10 log 10 SPL upon 20 into 10 raised to minus 6. You know the value of SPL, which is equal to 10.755. Do the calculation. What is the value? Very nice, 57.30 in dB. So this is nothing but the resultant audible noise at that point.